the street.
Just breathe. I'm sorry. Just. I'll get a taxi. I'll get a taxi. Okay? I'll get a taxi. Just breathe. Sorry. We need to take her to the hospital, please. Just open your car. Open your car.
What a madman doing in your car?
Just breathe.
How are you the madman?
We need to take her to the hospital. Okay.
Where are you taking her to?
Breathe.
Are you taking her to my car? No! Hell no! I'm not driving this car! What's this young girl doing with a mad woman? Hell no!
Do you need to know her before you help her? Okay, if you don't want to drive the car, it's fine. Come to St. Mary's Hospital and pick your car. I'll leave it at the reception. Pick the key at the reception. Ask of Stacy. Help me with my car as well.
Is this girl okay? What's she doing, the mad woman? What do I?
I am really, really sorry, okay? Your car is safe. I washed it. It's across the street from the hospital. I am sorry for everything. I know I crossed the line. But I couldn't just stand and watch a woman suffer while we argued. Please, I am sorry. I did what I thought was right, okay? Okay, here is your key. I'm sorry. And thank you for fixing my car.
Yeah, thank you. Please.
Kitchen number.
Thank you. Please. I need fried rice and turkey.
All right, sir. You should have told me earlier, so I say thank you myself.
I'm sorry, ma. You instructed me not to say anything until he leaves.
I don't even know him, so how do I say thank you? Is he a regular customer here?
No, ma. It's my first time seeing him here.
Anyway, just say thank you to him whenever.
Alright, ma.
Who is that lady? I mean, the one that just drove off. Does she work here?
Yes, that's the director. She flew in from the US last week. It seems like you have not been introduced to her. That will happen on our next conference meeting.
My goodness. What a coincidence. Look, I bought her lunch at a cozy restaurant today. I was even saying probably I'll meet her tomorrow or some other time. And she walks here.
Right. Look, I understand the fact that you are attracted to beautiful women, neat women and classy women. But you see that? Sit her out. Yes, she is not on our league, my brother. See, to crown it up, she is the daughter of your CEO. I mean, our CEO of this company. I hope you understand what that simply means.
Jude, leave the league thing and what you're saying. I'm going to upgrade my league. I will upgrade my standards. Look, classy babes like this, they like guys that are hardworking. So from today, I'm doubling my work. I'm doing all the hard work.
My brother, I will advise you. You see this lady? She is a very focused woman. She's a career lady. Look, all she does is from work to her house and from her house to her office. She doesn't even have any friend. Sometimes I wonder how she relates with her family, siblings and parents. So don't even stress yourself, okay? What are you still looking at? Let's leave, man. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Yo. Aha.
Jude,
Brighto.
my nigga.
Man, bro. What's up, man? You've been working since morning. Aren't you tired? Come on, I'm hungry. Let's get something to eat.
You know, I wish she's the one that just walk in here, see me busy, and then says exactly what you just said.
Who?
What do you mean who? Who else?
Oh, your wildest dream. Look, she's not around. She traveled.
What?
Watermelon. Please, let's go get something to eat. Come and tell you to even compliment me.
Excuse me? Excuse me, please. I just received an email from the director. She said some supervisors will be coming in from Lagos State to supervise us and on how to explore our programs on Facebook and also creating an account with the company's name. She further said that I'll be supervising the
But
program.
supervise the whole thing, right? Don't worry, I'll help you do that. I'll help you supervise and take the records for her.
Really?
Yeah, I'll do that for you.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Thank you.
All right.
You're kind.
You're welcome.
Right. My guy. You know I know you very well. And I respect you a whole lot. But trust me, you will regret what you're doing. You see all this love, caring and attention you're trying to give to Stacy? You will regret it. You know, she behaves as if she's a married woman, even when she is not married. Yes, I understand she is very responsible, but trust me, she is not the only woman. We have other beautiful women in this company. Don't you have eyes? What do you have to think about Victory?
Come on, man. Victory has a boyfriend.
No, she is single. I tried to link her up with Mike, but Mary said she is single, and Mary outsmarted me.
Jude, this is not what I need right now. I will patiently wait for Stacy. Like, have you visualized that lady the way I see her? She's worth the time, waiting, everything. Just don't tell me anything contrary to this thing. I'm waiting for her. I want to get yes.
So I am ranting, right?
Not ranting.
You know what?
You're not making sense.
If you hear me talk about this situation again, call me a fool. And please, with all due respect, sir, don't ever bring this incident around me.
There's no problem. I would like to call you a fool, but then let's go and eat first. Let's go grab one.
Time will tell.
You know we can't leave the company and travel. I mean, what do we tell the director when she returns?
Come on, bro. Sammy is our guy. We can't afford to lose his wedding, and you know this.
You're right, but you were there when I was telling her that I was going to oversee the project. So how do I go back my words?
Come on, you know, Victoria is there for you. Yes, she'll continue.
No, I don't want anybody to insult me.
Come on, she's not like that and you know it. Okay, rather, you should be thanking her.
Please, about supervising and taking record of tomorrow's meeting. I want you to help me do that. Just for tomorrow. I'm traveling for a wedding.
What about the handwriting? It's not going to be the same.
Yeah, but don't worry about that. Once I come back, I'll recopy.
Sure?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Jude. My guy.
Is there something you're not telling me? Because you weren't this relaxed for Victory entering inside your office. Let alone coming in and out with a file. Look, bro, I saw her come into your office. So, tell me, what are you hiding away from me?
You know, there is a saying that came to my mind last week, which says, what are you waiting for? And, you know, as an only son, my mother keeps ringing it in my hearing. Get married, get married, get married, get married. So I decided to adhere to my friend's advice.
Which is?
Victory is also responsible.
My God!
You get the point?
Well,
Funny, right?
very.
You know, I'm enjoying what I'm getting. Yeah.
You know what? I have good news. In fact, breaking news.
Breaking news. Come on, yes. Shoot.
Come on, you need to beg me, bro.
What are you saying, man? Don't do that.
Stacy is back. Yes, she flew in today.
You know, Jude, it's just like after you get married, that's when you start seeing all the beautiful women, the curvy ones, the ones with fine face, women that naturally, once you meet them, you want to get married to them. You know? And then you start thinking if the one you married was a bad choice. I don't know if you have ever felt that way.
And it's better you get married to a woman who understands the value of being a wife and also want to be kept, rather than getting married because you think you're aging. So, what are you insinuating?
My personality. I'm talking about myself here.
And what about yourself?
Have you ever wished you get married and not cheat on your wife?
I used to think about that when I was still a teenager, not anymore.
You know, for me, nothing has changed. I still feel the same way from my teenage age. I want Stacy. She's quiet and reserved.
To be honest, I have never seen you talk about a woman like this. What a man can do for a woman.
You know, if compensating will take her off my back, I will do that. Besides, we only made out once. I don't see anything wrong in that.
But remember, if reverse should be the case here.
I'm waiting for the day I will call you mine, mine, oh mine. I'm waiting for the day I will call you mine, oh mine, oh mine. I'm waiting patiently, patiently. I'm waiting patiently, patiently. From the first time I saw you, baby, I fall in love. You're my kind of woman, just give me a chance. Oh, baby. I'm waiting.
What's going on? Why are you carrying a long face?
I'm waiting for the day I will call you.
Just like this.
I'm waiting patiently, patiently. I'm waiting patiently, patiently. Give me a chance. I want to be
This lady.
You know her?
My guy, what's up?
Fine.
What's up with the attitude?
As you can see, I'm busy with work. I need to concentrate, so I'll be happy if you excuse me.
Oh, I see. You don't see me when no get work for my desk, Abi? Because I say my can't greet my guy. Very rude.
Is that how you're raised? You don't have manners. You just walk into people's office without knocking.
I'm sorry.
Brat, what's wrong with you? Why are you yelling at her?
Yes, come in. How may I help you?
The director is asking for the record.
What record?
The program heard last month. I mean the conference tutor.
Oh, my love. The second day is with you, right?
I gave it to you, sir.
Mr. Attitude, you don't have the records with you?
I think I misplaced it. Probably I left it in my house.
Look, I think you will go meet her in the office and probably do an oral explanation. Thank you very much for the attitude. Excuse me.
Yeah, come in. Hi, Petrie.
Good day, ma'am.
Hi. Good day. I wasn't expecting to see you.
Yes, actually, I was the one that took over supervision and taking records of the whole meeting. I did that for a reason, and then I took it back home for proper compilation. But then I forgot it at home. I wasn't aware that you're back. I would have brought it this morning, but I promised to bring it tomorrow morning.
You know you're not supposed to take official files home.
Yes, I know that. I'm sorry.
It's okay. So you said tomorrow morning. Please, do well to bring it. It's urgent. I need to copy the files and reply some mails as well.
Yes, I can actually brief you without the files.
Okay. Okay, great. But I still need the files.
Yes, like I said, I'll bring it tomorrow morning.
Alright. So you brief me.
Yeah, so the board proposed that we buy the quoted shares because they are having a dip in the market. So they were thinking probably we were going to make profit buying their shares. And majority of the board supported the idea. And so tomorrow morning I'm going to get you the files and everything. Then we'll see how the whole meeting was.
Can I get a glass?
Hi.
Hi. You eat here too?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, nice. Interesting.
Oh, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Dad.
Mai was the one that paid for your bill the other day.
She's the one?
Yes. Sir, what can I get you?
Oh, get me white soup and semovita.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So, do you always do that for random strangers?
Sorry?
You know, going around footing bills, you know? Just kidding. Thank you. Okay, since we both drove here, see you back at the office.
Yeah, see, but then, you know you don't have to do what you did in there.
Oh, come
Ah,
on.
I can get the bill myself.
You know, then at the restaurant, you paid my bill, and I wanted to say thank you, but I missed my chance. Let's say this is my own way of saying thank you.
Okay, I appreciate that, but then, next time, let me be the man.
Well, that's if we will ever meet here again, because I'll be traveling soon. I'm leaving the country soon.
Again?
So you brief me.
Yeah, so the board proposed that we buy the Cotex shares because they are having a dip in the market. So they were thinking probably we were going to make profit buying their shares. And majority of the board supported the idea. Okay, I appreciate that, but then next time, let me be the man.
Well, that's if we will ever meet here again, because I'll be traveling soon. I'm leaving the country soon.
Again?
He has been right in front of me and I never noticed. How come he works in my father's company and I've never seen him? I want to see more of him. Oh my goodness. Okay, what is this that I'm feeling? What is this? What is this? Okay, Stacy, relax. Relax.
Hello, my beautiful friend Vivian.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. And
Good.
you?
I'm okay. I'm okay. Hey, is your sister inside?
Yes, she
Good.
is.
Please help me and call her. Hmm?
Okay, let me get her for you.
Thank you.
Come in.
Okay, should I say Bright? You don't look bright today. Are you okay?
I'm not okay. I guess you're dressed to travel like you said, because I know that you don't come to work early, do you?
Well, I decided to appear early to work today. That's because I cancelled my trip.
Good, alright. Let me take you to work in my car.
Why?
Because it will be a pleasure to drive you to work.
I have a car.
I know. Come on. I'll drop you, bring you back. It's okay.
Okay. Let me quickly go grab my bag.
Alright, I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
It can't be true. How did he do it? Oh my God. Women are not predicted at all. Women can never be predicted, I swear. My guy, man, I envy you. How did you do it?
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Come on.
She's not an object. You're talking about her as if she's an object. She's a human. And besides, I don't want you to talk about her like that. She's not related to you.
Bro, see, I am happy for you. She entered your car.
Jude, this is my story. This is my story. Let me keep it to myself. What are you doing here?
Do you not think that I am too innocent to be treated this way?
Can we have this conversation somewhere else? It's too early for this.
I don't want to believe that I'm regretting it already. But if you knew you weren't ready for anything serious, you should have told me. Maybe we shouldn't have started anything at all. Maybe.
How I wish you would understand. Hey. I'm heading out for lunch. Care to join?
Oh no, I actually ordered something for myself.
Alright, I'm heading out for lunch.
Well, I ordered yours.
You did?
Yeah.
Can we talk about your frequent trips? Can you stay? For now. This is good.
I know. Is she okay? Why would she just leave like that?
Don't worry about her. When we are done, we can send for her. You know, man, I have lots of workload on my desk.
I'm thinking of vacation, man.
I took some home, like, I'm stressed out.
I can understand. Right. Where do you stand? I don't understand you. This is not the man I used to know.
I just wanted to apologize. That's all. It wouldn't make sense that I have asked my wife and still cheat.
You are creating enmity between her and the innocent Stacy. And this is the reason some people go extra mile in killing other people. Look, I pray and hope she forgets easily, bro. I am sure you're going to take her home because you brought her too. Right?
Of course, it's just I pray she understands, but then...
Oh, here comes the angel, innocent soul. I'll see you.
Alright, I'll see you. So I'm coming to pick you up tomorrow morning. Please, not say.
That's all. I actually canceled my trip for tomorrow because of
I love you. I can't imagine my life without you. Look, Victory, I never meant to put you in this situation. I know you will not believe me, but nothing that happened between us was intentional. She left. I never knew she was going to come back so soon. See, I was in love with you. Yeah. Everything that happened between us was just my parents pressuring me to get married. Look, I didn't know she was going to come back, believe me. And now she's back. Just forgive me. Please.
So all of a sudden, you're falling out of love with me. She lied to me. Right, you deceived me. It's hard to believe that you actually came to my life just to while away time. Not like you really loved me. No. I find it difficult to accept all of this. I love you. Don't you get it? You're my better half. I can't replace you with anyone. I am not even ready. I'm not thinking of any other man aside you. You brought me into this. You assured me that you love me. We were building something very nice. Something real special. What happened? She's in your past. She's gone. I am your present. You need to accept me. Let's continue with what we have because I am not going to leave you for any woman. I won't let that happen. What did we start this relationship in the first place? If you weren't ready, why did you drag me into this? How do you want me to cope? What do I do? Who do I run to? Do I have another man elsewhere? Babe. Right. Sorry, I can't. Help me, sugar. I'm really good time. Ma'am, is there something else I can help you do?
Oh no, honestly, I've never been really comfortable sending people on errand. Whether at work or even at home, I don't enjoy it.
I'm not complaining. You're my boss and it's part of my work. I don't mind.
I know, but the fact that I have the authority doesn't mean I should abuse it. Don't you think so?
Okay, I understand. But can we be friends?